use a medium. A medium, why do we keep using mediums?
Well, the mediums allow you to connect multiple parts together.
Exactly.
And the smaller ones is mostly just one.
Yeah.
Because it goes through...
I just need...
You need one for now?
Two.
Two of those? Okay, cool.
So the smaller bit goes in. Let me make sure that I'm going in correctly. Okay.
It seems that once you start getting into a method or once you start having a system, you can move more quickly. In the beginning, you're just trying to figure out the parts.
Okay.
Awesome. So the first, there's 2 holes on the bottom. Yep, that looks right. Gotta push it all the way in, though.
Okay, I thought there was a...
There. Oh, I guess you need the mirrored one, like we did earlier.
I hope this is the correct piece.
No,
nope. It's not.
I brought out a bunch of those. Okay.
I think it's this one.
Okay. I don't know why, but I feel that some of that might be related to the neck. Oh, no. That would be wrong because the neck has a bunch of servos on it.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know. Maybe that's the spine.
Okay, so we turn it like that. And then let's see where it goes in. Oh, I was correct. I knew we had to do that on a different piece. I didn't know that.
That's good. At least some of the parts repeat, so you have once you've done it once, you kind of remember.
Like, I still remember that mistake that I made. Like, we could have just, been making this one.